Good morning, children. Let's begin with our new chapter, People as Resource. Earlier also notes have been sent to you all. Today I am giving the explanation. People as resource. What is resource? Anything which we get from nature free of cost that we consider normally and that as resource, and it also satisfies our need like minerals, water, solar energy, wind, tidal energy. These are the resources which we have get free of from nature, which is evidently present and unevenly distributed. Evidently present मतलब it is present, evident है, बहुत enough है, जरूरत से ज्यादा है, पर uneven है. Uneven क्यों है? In many states it is present more than required quantity, and somewhere in some state it is not visible or it is not even sufficient to fulfill the need of people. रिसोर्स वो होता है जो हमारी नीड को फुलफिल करता है, पर इन रिसोर्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए, इनको हमारे लिए यूजफुल बनाने के लिए क्या जरूरत होता है? ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का जरूरत होता है. और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कौन होता है? हु आर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स? वी द पीपल ऑफ आवर कंट्री आर द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. ईच एंड एवरी वन, आप, हम, सब लोग, हर कोई जो अपनी तरह से हमारी इकोनॉमी में कंट्रीब्यूट करता है वो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स होता है. अगर नेचुरल रिसोर्स को डेवलप करने के लिए हमें जरूरत पड़ती है इंडस्ट्रीज की, लेबोरेटरीज की, जियोग्राफर्स की, जियोलॉजिस्ट की, तो फिर नेचुरल ह्यूमन रिसोर्स को कैसे डेवलप करेंगे? बाय डेवलपिंग आवर स्किल, आवर एबिलिटी, आवर हेल्थ. अपनी स्किल को हम कैसे डेवलप करेंगे? बाय डेवलपिंग आवर हेल्थ, एजुकेशन. कैसे? एंड हाउ दिस पीपल दे हेल्प इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ GNP, that is gross national product. Like we are a resource of our country, and if you see the positive large side of this population, we have 1.30 crore people as a human resource today. In this present era, you can easily see and understand the importance of human resource, how the people have stuck. Now the big industrialists, they are worried that if they lose their labor, how will they start their industry? Because they are going to lose their human resource. Machineries are there, but they are run by the human being. तो एक इंसान की उतनी ही अहमियत होती है जितना एक रॉ मटेरियल को चलाने के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि एक रॉ मटेरियल को चलाने के लिए, उसको बनाने के लिए, उसको इकोनॉमी से जोड़ने के लिए वो हमारी जरूरत पड़ती है, और हम इस देश के रिसोर्स हैं. सिर्फ रॉ रिसोर्स से इट इज ऑफ नो यूज. नेचर ने हमें इतना सब कुछ दिया है. इट हैज प्रोवाइडेड अस सो मेनी थिंग्स. हर स्टेट्स में इतनी सारी रिसोर्सेज हैं हमारे यहाँ, पर उसको यूजफुल कौन बनाता है? ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट इन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स थ्रू एजुकेशन, ट्रेनिंग, मेडिकल gives us a result of physical capital. This can be seen in the form of higher income, which is earned because of higher productivity, training person, as well as high productivity of healthier people. See what I have sent you this picture earlier also. What is human resource? It is like land or labor? No. Because land and labor we have acquired from nature. Land, but labor, we are the labor. It is the labor who work on that land. What is human capital? Is it like rupee? No. Rupees is capital, and human capital, they know, are the entrepreneurs who know how to invest, where to invest, and how to utilize the remaining resources like land, labor, capital. They are all being utilized by the human resource. Now if I talk Yesterday I have sent you 2 stories, right? That 2 stories, there was a story of Sakal and story of Vilas. Let's start with the story of Sakal. There were 2 friends, Vilas and Sakal, who were in same village, Semapur. Sakal was 12-year-old and his mother Sheila, she was doing domestic chore, घरेलू काम. घर से बाहर जाकर हम अपने यहाँ मेड्स को बुलाते हैं ना डोमेस्टिक कोर करने के लिए, यही होता है. His father Bhuta Chaudhary, he worked in an agricultural field and Sakal helped in his mother's work. Now he looked after his young brother Jitu and Situ. He also, brother and sister, his uncle Shyam has passed matriculation examination, but he was sitting idle in the house. Bhuta and Sheila were eager to teach Sakal. They forced him to join the village school, but he started studying. After completed his higher education, he went outside of his village and his father persuaded him to continue his studies. He also took a loan to teach Sakal. He was a good student and he completed his education and he got a job in a private firm where he designed his own software, and with the development of software, there was an increase in sale of the firm and he got a good increment from that. His boss acknowledged his service and rewarded him with a promotion. So with this story, what do you come to know? How education has developed a resource for the country. He not only developed himself, he also developed his village when he came back, and he also developed the people, the firm in which he was working. He became useful by his education, by his skill. अगर हम अपने आप को पॉलिश करें, अपने आप को डेवलप करें, तो सिर्फ हम अपना डेवलपमेंट नहीं करते हैं, हमारा इनकम नहीं बढ़ता है. एट द सेम टाइम हम जहाँ काम करते हैं उनको भी हम प्रोडक्टिव बनाते हैं. इसके साथ में हम अपनी इकोनॉमी में भी ऐड करते हैं, क्योंकि जो हम बनाएंगे उससे हम दूसरों को जॉब देंगे. अगर हम दूसरों को काम देंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं एक सर्कुलेशन हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं मार्केट में, जॉब एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. दिस इज क्रिएशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, दिस इज क्रिएशन ऑफ जॉब. सो हियर वी सॉ हाउ with the development of human resource, it became useful for so many people and a circulation of chain of employment was generated. आगे हम विलास की स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे, that how by not developing himself he was unable to go to school, he failed to go to school. As a result, his life was not developed. His per capita income did not increase, and due to that his family suffered. That's all for today, children. In the next story, we are going to study the story of Vilas. That's all for today, children. Good day.